Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off your active status on Instagram. So if you don't want people seeing when you're online, follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Next, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. That's the three lines. From the menu, scroll down and select Messages and Story Replies. Now tap Show Activity Status. Here, you'll see a switch. Tap it to turn off your activity status. Once this is off, other users won't be able to see when you're active on Instagram. Just keep in mind, you also won't be able to see when your friends are online either. And that's it. Turning off your activity status is super simple and keeps your Instagram activity private. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.